Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. We're so happy you're here. Today, we're going to learn top 50 polite, essential, and most common English conversations about travel. Travel is one of the most exciting experiences in life. Whether you're traveling for vacation, business, or study, knowing a few polite and useful English expressions can make your trip much easier and more enjoyable. These everyday travel phrases will help you communicate with confidence at airports, hotels, train stations, tourist attractions, restaurants, and many other places. Now, let's get started and practice together. 1. Where are you from? 2. Where are you traveling to? 3. Is this your first time here? 4. I'm here on vacation. 5. I'm here on a business trip. 6. How long will you stay? 7. I'll stay for 5 days. 8. Could you recommend some tourist attractions? 9. What's the best place to visit nearby? 10. Is it far from here? 11. How can I get there? 12. Can I walk there? 13. Is there a bus to the city center? 14. Where is the nearest train station? 15. Where is the nearest subway station? 16. How much is the ticket? 17. I'd like to buy a ticket. 18. Is this seat available? 19. Could you help me with my luggage? 20. Where can I exchange money? 21. Do you accept credit cards? 22. Can I pay by card? 23. Where is the nearest ATM? 24. I'd like a city map. 25. Could you show me on the map? 26. What time does it open? 27. What time does it close? 28. Is there an entrance fee? 29. How much is the entrance fee? 30. Can I take photos here? 31. Is photography allowed? 32. Could you take a picture of me, please? 33. That's a beautiful view. 34. This place is amazing. 35. I'd like to join the tour. 36. When does the tour start? 37. How long does the tour last? 38. Is lunch included? 39. I'd like a window seat. 40. Could I have an aisle seat? 41. Excuse me, could you speak more slowly? 42. Could you repeat that, please? 43. I don't understand. 44. Do you speak English? 45. Could you write it down, please? 46. I'm looking for this address. 47. Could you tell me the way? 48. Turn left at the next corner. 49. Turn right at the traffic light. 50. Go straight ahead. 51. It's just around the corner. 52. It's within walking distance. 53. Is it safe to walk at night? 54. Where can I buy souvenirs? 55. I'd like to buy some local products. 56. What's your most popular dish? 57. Could I have the menu, please? 58. I'd like to try the local food. 59. The food is delicious. 60. Could I have the bill, please? 61. Where is the restroom? 62. Is there free Wi-Fi here? 63. Could you call a taxi for me? 64. I'd like to go to the airport. 65. What time should I leave? 66. Thank you for your help. 67. You're very kind. 68. I had a wonderful trip. 69. I hope to come back again. 70. Have a safe trip. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope these useful travel English phrases help you communicate more confidently, travel more comfortably, and enjoy every trip with less stress. Keep practicing a little every day, and your English will improve naturally. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends and family so more people can learn English together. Thanks again for your support, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.